Mohammad Shahzad Sheikh, a resident of Vasco, was arrested by Fatorda police in January this year for allegedly raping a mentally unsound girl with other 4 co-accused in a guest house at Cansaulim. Accused Mohammad Shahzad has filed a petition before the High Court pleading to declare his arrest to be in violation of his fundamental rights, claiming that he was not informed about the grounds of his arrest by the police at the time of his arrest. But the High Court has dismissed the petition, observing that the petitioner accused had not taken the plea that the grounds of arrest were not informed to him either while opposing the remand application or during the course of his bail application, which came to be rejected by the Margao Sessions Court on 18th June 2025. Referring the case file, the High Court has observed that the petitioner was provided the information of the offence sufficient enough to enable him to understand why he was arrested. The High Court has further observed that at the initial stage of the investigation, if an accused is arrested and even if the limited purpose of the arrest and the grounds of arrest are informed to the accused, it would strike a balance between the constitutional safeguards of the accused, the right of the state to conduct an impartial investigation, and most importantly, the right of the victim of a heinous crime like gang rape. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.